Last year, we expected to see the launch of Poco F2, but it never happened. Now, we are barely a month into 2020 and we have already got plenty of rumors to strongly suggest we will see the device quite soon. Today, Poco itself, which is now its own company outside of Xiaomi, confirmed that Poco F2 is indeed on the way. Well, it sort of did. Anyway, in a pair of tweets, the company announced that Poco Season 2 is coming soon, which we can only assume is a clever way of confirming a new generation Poco phone is imminent. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Anyway, the first tweet to drop came in the form of an open letter, which is now on your screens. And let me read what it says. To everyone who made this possible, from being just an idea to inception, from putting our first offering out to the market to seeing it achieve a cult status, it's been quite unbelievable for a small team that we are. We didn't have a very large workforce and thus had limited resources. What we did have, however, was an unflinching focus towards Poco F1. From 240 to 960 FPS slow motion video, from no wild wine certificate to L1, from Android 8 to Android 9, pretty much before anyone else. We listened to what you wanted and we delivered. It wouldn't have been possible without you. In no time, Poco F1 went on to become the best-selling smartphone in its category. In the past few months, we have focused all our energies in a manner that is destined to create magic. We have made mistakes, fixed some, failed at fixing some, but stayed persistent. And now, we are at a point where we are poised for the next exciting phase for Poco. The landscape has changed immensely in the meantime, but we are prepared. We would like to ask you to join us once again in this journey. Prepare yourself for Poco Season 2. Watch this space for more. Next update tomorrow, Poco India. The second tweet to drop came in the form of a short video. I will show you. The video does not give much information, but it's designed to feel like an announcement for a new season of a crime show.
It's time. We're ready.
No one thought it could happen, but we did it. And with all our agents across the globe, we're ready to do it again.
Over and out.
Are you?
The rumor mill suggests that the Pocophone F2 could be a rebranded version of Redmi K30. If true, you should expect a 4G powered device with an upper mid-range Snapdragon 730G processor, 6GB to 8GB of RAM, up to 256GB of expandable storage, and a 4500 mAh battery. So, are you excited for Poco Season 2? Let us know in the comments down below. If you like this video, then do give this video a thumbs up and hit the red subscribe button. With that being said, this is me Rahul signing off. Do subscribe.